Guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, which looks like this. If you notice here, we only make $200 per trade in each trade, and recently we were only trading on Euro USD pair, and I'll tell you exactly the reason why we are only trading in this pair and how we are able to get this kind of profit also. So if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, then do join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. Once you join that free Telegram channel, then you will be able to see our latest instructions there, which you need to follow in order to get our UID, and that UID will be used to copy our trade into your pocket option account automatically. So once you get that UID, then you just come to this social trading feature, and then you see this top ranked trader for 24 hours. Just click on it and click on search and paste that UID that you have got. Now, this is not our UID. I'm just showing you it as an example. So just click on whatever name appears at here and click on copy. Now you can see there are four boxes. You only need to make changes to this one box. Okay. If you copy 100% of our trade, then we only make $200 per trade. That means you will be copying $200 per trade. But if you reduce it to 1%, then you will be copying our if you copy 1% of our trade, then that means 1% of $200 is $2. You will copy $2 per trade. Similarly, if you copy 10%, then 10% of $200 is $20 per trade. You will be copying $20 per trade. In this way, you can do up and down to this copy in proportion. Now, in case of stop balance, do not touch anything because the VIP member who join our copy trading service and make changes to these three boxes, they are not able to copy all of our trades. Okay. Now, if you are scared about losing your funds while copying our trade, then what you can do is instead of touching this stop balance, let's say you have $1,546, then what you can do is if you just want to risk $546 in our copy trading service, then you can withdraw your $1,000 and only put $546 in your account. And in that way, you will only risk the amount that you are willing to risk. Okay. You don't need to toss anything in this stop balance. Now, in case of minimum and maximum copy trade amount, what you can do is leave it as it is because I have already told you we only make $200 per trade in each trade. So you don't need to make any changes to these boxes, and whatever copy in proportion you are using, that will automatically copied according to the trades that we make. Here you can see clearly we only make $200 per trade in each trade. Now let me show you again what you need to do. Just search the UID and click on it and click on copy and whatever percent you want to copy, and then just click on confirm, and you will start to copy our trade automatically into your pocket option account. Now, in the start of this video, I have told you we are only making trades in our Euro USD currency pair, and there is a reason for that. Okay, as you can see in the screen right now, what we do is we only follow the working thing that is working at the real time while we sit to trade. Okay, for that we make lots of trade in demo account before placing our trade in the real account. Okay, so that's why we are able to get these kind of results. Now, in case of Euro USD currency pair, what we have noticed recently is it is properly following the support and resistance. Here you can see it is properly following the support and resistance most of the time. Okay, so we keep on watching sorry we keep on watching this currency pair, and we see whenever the market is in the support area or in the resistance area, and we try to make trades in these kind of areas at here. Okay, so here you can see there was a support here and it is a resistance. Now we'll look properly in this chart and try to see a good opportunity like this when we can make the trade. So in that way, we are able to get these kind of profits while while providing the copy trading service in recent time. But in upcoming days, whenever this strategy fails, we'll implement another strategy that is working at that real time. Okay, so in this way, we are doing our trades.